Hi, I'm Poh, and I'm here on set with LG and the good guys. My earliest cooking memory would have to be with all the women folk in my family gathered around, squatting on the ground in the kitchen and making glutinous rice balls for Chinese New Year. My oven, because baking gives me so much gratification, and I affiliate it with my mum and the very first dishes I learned to cook successfully. On the fridge, I love that it's like privacy for the mess, yet you can just have a quick knock, check out what you need to buy. I think it's one of the most brilliant innovations of this range. One of my other favorite features of the oven is the blue Easy Clean. Number one, because I'm a little color bug, because I'm an artist. I just love the blue, and I'm wondering why no one else has innovated with color, because there's this opportunity to bring joy into the kitchen that no one has done. Its function is amazing. It's actually a steam clean, and it's just so dreamy. It responds instantly. You can either ramp the heat up or turn it down very, very quickly. I melt chocolate on an induction all the time because it's just so consistent and steady, and any help with chocolate is good for me because chocolate is my enemy. This range is so beautifully designed aesthetically, but also ergonomically. Thanks for joining me, and happy cooking with LG and the good guys.